You ever wonder what a rod bearing looks like right before it goes round and round? You got to check this out.
Okay, hey, on that back of that engine, the two rods that run in the same crank pin on the back, they're bad. When we took them apart, you can even see this one here looks like it's delaminating. You see that little piece? I can pick it up with my finger now. And you see how that's all separating? It's like the layers of metal that it's composed of is separating. And this insert actually no longer fits the rod. You see how this will wiggle back and forth in here? See how that moves? You see how that moves around? So I suspect these were rattling. And you can look at the back side, you can see the shiny area around here, and you can see the shiny area in here. So I think this rod was knocking. There's just a wee bit of a step there. So once they start to get that sloppy and it starts knocking, it's hammering in there. And sometimes you can hear that as we used to call it rod knocking. Yeah. So this can be recut so that this is true round again, the ID of where these inserts go in, and then there's an extra thickness to the insert goes into that space. So this can distort because it's hammered, it's no longer round, they'll recut it round. And I think on this case, this particular crank pin, we're going to wind up having to change the dimension on it. You see how that wiggles in there? Yeah, see that does not match. Yeah.
It's got a heck of a gap.
Yep.
And you can see here where the bearing was hammering against that cap or the rod itself.
Yeah, the end of
tang there, or whatever, was just bouncing off.
Now this one never spun. You see, there's this little tab.
Right, it didn't go, but it was just about ready to go around.
But it was definitely. So we do have some rod work there that's going to have to happen in this engine. So since we got to this last one, that's what we found. Yep.
So that rod bearing didn't spin yet, but you can tell that thing was just about on borrowed time as you could possibly get. So I'm assuming maybe that's why this engine came out of service, but no problems. We'll get that rod resized, turn down the crank, and get that thing put back together. So get ready to share some more tips on your next Text Tuesday here. Next one, maybe something about some piston slaps. So you LS fans, you want to know what's making all that noise? You got to check out the next one.